Alright, so this is my latest design. This is for attaching multiple cameras. So I have multiple of these camera bars with a universal camera mount. And what I actually did in this design is I created these quick connects to the bracket that's going to mount to the printer itself. So what's happening is there is a bolt running through here, if you can see that, and then there's a spring inside that puts tension on here. So the way I can now attach this to my printer at any given time and move it whenever I have to is basically put it on there, push it in, turn, push it in, turn, and there you go, it's attached. It can barely move. I can then again just release it, put it a little higher, a little lower, push it in, push it in. So there you go. The quick connect for, in this case, 4040 extrusion. The materials that I'm using here are, these are M6 T-nuts, and then what I'm actually using is a 1/4 inch bolt, 2 inch long, that will actually jam itself into the T-nut, so that creates for a good strong bond between both the bolt and the actual T-nut, so the T-nut doesn't move around freely. So there you have it. I will put this out on Thingiverse and GrabCAD so you can make it into a connect for whatever you want to attach to your extrusion, but it's a pretty handy utility.